Run it up. 1, 2. This a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. I gotta be in. The charts calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing out, it got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, you gotta wait, wait for confirmation. Pressure from my father and my mother say that I'm a failure and I can't recover. But how many more times will I hear him say this? And how many more times will I have to say it? The world is changing, and it's not about how hard you can work, but rather how much risk you can manage. And the quicker you learn, the quicker you'll be up on your feet. The quicker you'll be up on your feet. I don't wanna be basic, I want a life that's amazing. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. I was the guy that said you can do it, I never did it. But how many more times will I hear him say this? And how many more times will I have to say it? The world is changing, and it's not about how hard you can work, but rather how much risk you can manage. And the quicker you learn, the quicker you'll be up on your feet. The quicker you'll be up on your feet. I don't wanna be basic, I want a life that's amazing. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money.
Chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no stall. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every win opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't pet the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Lead it hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. In the tape room, same rule. Read the candles, read the fools. If the setup feels alive, I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. Going edge feels true. I go harder than I knew. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small stuff stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I cut loose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king.
Sun up, I'm already out. 1 hour, then I'm cashing out. Yeah. Still packed on the platform now. I'm on the curb like, what now? Coffee gone cold on the bench. News feed flickers, time well spent. Whole day finished before 10. Still ask that again. If I stop, what shows up? All that quiet, all that luck. Hands off, now I can hear every little shadow near. What now, what now? We beat the clock somehow. What now, what now? Freedom sweet and scary now. What now, what now? If the world keeps moving wild. What now, what now? We can write it down. Train car full of worried faces, freeway lines and borrowed patience. I'm already past the basics, still my mind keeps changing places. Played it clean, I cracked the code. Close my book, unlock the road. But a mind left with no load starts to spin and lose control. If I stop, what shows up? All that quiet, all that luck. Hands off, now I can hear every little shadow near. What now, what now? We beat the clock somehow. What now, what now? Freedom sweet and scary now. What now, what now? If the world keeps moving wild. What now, what now? We can write it down. Maybe idle isn't empty. Maybe it's a room to breathe. Maybe I don't need permission to believe what I believe. No more guilt for the easy lane. No more fear in the open gate. If the old rules don't fit us now, then we make our own way. What now, what now? We beat the clock somehow. What now, what now? Freedom sweet and scary now. What now, what now? If the world keeps moving wild. What now, what now? We can write it down. What now, what now? What now? What now? What now? We found our own ground. Hit the target, then another one. Stack the wins up, let the money run. Log in, whole dashboard, sun. Green on green, yeah, the day just begun. Woke up, check the phones on the nightstand. 3 screens lit, all bands in the right hand. Blue line touched, and it ran to the sky. Profit tag, top. I was out before the spike died. Wrist small, flip big, that's discipline. Same setup, different tickets, same listening. Multiple accounts, all glow, that's a light show. Screenshots, send it to the squad, told you I go. Profit target hit, hands up, hands up. All my payouts coming, that's us. Whole team green, we up, yeah, we up. Profit target hit, hands up, hands up. Let the brokers send the love, that's trust. Whole church screaming, that's love. No, that's grind, that sucks. Closed out, now the vibe so different. Same charge used to turn my whole spirit. Took L's, wrote them down, had to learn that. Now I only chase plays I can earn back. Little pullback, then it ripped through the zone. My alert hit once, I was already home. Auto payout, on the way to the bank. Withdraw hit, now the balance giving pain. From the back, that's days, eating ramen at the desk. To the funded dashboards, blessings on refresh. Used to pray for one win, now they run in sets. Stack small dubs, turn them into big checks. Patient, patient, patient. Let the setup come, that's sacred. Same plan, new range, never fake it. Big one.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh! Yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yo. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah, yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
entertaining thing on the internet. Yo.
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
I said, my first take here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day.
To the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Lama Red Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play, and it is July 17th, and we are live, baby. We are live. I'm currently in a short chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm in a short targeting 75 as my exit. Full exit at
Targeting
75.
55. I'm about to take partials here before this shit even opens.
We are live, baby. I have a stop right at previous candle low, so it could stop me out immediately. I just want to see a big dump right through. Big dump
Nice little
right
leg. Oh, hold
and
on.
stop me. Yep, pulled me out right there, but I did manage to get 500 per account. 500 per account right there.
I managed to get 170 per account.
I like the structure break here now. I might get ready for the long if this structure
no charge.
holds.
Fuck, my bad.
This structure holds. I might get ready for that schlong now. That looked bullish.
Sorry, please.
That looked like a bully candle, but let's see what happens. I got that golden.
Yes, it's still weak.
Yeah, very weak. Very, very weak. If we could break this structure, I mean, if we can pop right here, I mean, right there, just like that. If we can pop that little structure, that looks good. If it gets above probably 50, I'm gonna go long. If it gets above 50, I'll probably go long here. Like something like that. Something like that. See if it can hold though.
Probably gonna have to wait this out.
That's the problem. There it goes. 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 There it goes.
If it makes a move to like 7-11-ish, something
There
like that.
I'm gonna start putting
maybe able to catch a squeeze up for like 60 points.
I'm gonna start putting my stops at break even.
Yes, has not moved.
No.
Look at NQ. Yes, has not moved.
Put my stops at break even on the long here. I don't want to get caught. I definitely don't want to get caught.
Yeah, it's too wicky for me.
Yeah, bang. Oof. There we go. Rocking 20 points right here. I'll move my stop up to 51. It's not the best looking right now.
Yes, is very weak, bro.
There we go. There we go. I'm up 25.
NQ looks good though.
Hit 35 at points at that high real quick. It's tough to trail with this, but it's real tough to trail with this, but it's looking good. Up 35. We're going to test this structure here. I'm going to trim right there. Bang. I'm going to trim some at 87. And just like that, wow. Instant rejection stop for me. I trailed out at 70. Short, small gains. 3 bands on the, and then 1,700 on the fundeds. So not a bad way to start the day at all. Not a bad way to start the day at all.
What are my settings for P2P? Default settings. Default settings. ES has never broken a newer high. It's still in structure for. It was a nice. You definitely got a really good volume for that. 80 points, but I'm just not convinced on the up move yet. I want to see 550.
SPX can melt all the way down. I wanted to see NQ at 70s. I really wanted to see NQ at 70s. It's extremely bearish. We're watching SPX tap that midline tap right here, but this is extremely, extremely bearish. Let me just draw a little.
There's a 5-minute midline rejection here.
I know. I want to see it dump all the way down to the 70s still. That's what I want to see, is it dump all the way down to 76. So, you know, I might try and snag a short here if SPX dumps past a little bit further. Look at this. I mean, it's
I'm targeting 55, and then like I want to see what we can buy up for 55.
Range. Yep, this is free range right here. If it dumps to 76 is my final PT since this morning. That's where I want to see it go. A little bit further. Come on. Show me 75 so we can switch. There it goes. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Show me 7. Wow. There it is. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Does it
Keep
make its way to
going.
55?
Keep going. Let's go.
At this point, does it make its way to 55? Like we're right there.
Let's go. This is the last imbalance overnight. So this is a structure break. It could absolutely melt, but don't be surprised if you see fucking a 200-point popper from here. Let's go. I'm fucking printing right now, baby. Let's go.
There goes the 55. Beautiful. Let's see now if we catch a pop or
I'm gonna have
not.
to flatten this fucking thing soon. I'm gonna have to flatten this thing soon. Let's go.
Beautiful.
Let's go. Locked in max payouts.
Here.
Locked in max payouts on the dailies, baby. Keep riding. Let's fucking go. Locked in max payouts. Whoa. And I'm taking full TP right there at fucking 50. I took full price start.
Yep.
Let's go. On the funding.
Definitely going to get out here. I want to see reaction to try to catch a pop up now.
On the daily payouts. 40 bands on the dailies, baby. 40 bands on the dailies.
Yucky.
Fuck these new props. Fuck these new props. And fuck you, Logan.
As long as looking
and
interesting.
Fuck you, Logan. I'm the man.
Oh, man.
Whoa!
Not convinced on it yet. Definitely interesting. We could get us some type of pop here, but there's no confirmation yet. I'm even diving down to the lower time frame, and we'd have to pop up way higher for it to even confirm, which means I might do a squeeze back down. Give us more entry to the south side. Still nothing yet. That short was too free, I'm not gonna lie to you. It was a clear target. Yep, there's a newer low. We got to see here. There's still no type of confirmation until we get up to 600. So it has to give us another leg. We have no choice. Now we have to wait till it gets all the way up there, which is like really high up.
Have you ever seen anything as sexual? 7,500 in payouts, plus another 12, plus Tradeify with another 75 coming out. 30K in payouts this week, baby. 30K in payouts this week, baby. Let's go. That MVG filled. There is a couple golden MVGs below. However, I do think that it's going to keep dumping to fill the next one. Yep, there's a lot of imbalances below. A lot of imbalances below. We can keep dumping here, chat. It could get real ugly. Oh, let me sell some puts. What am I doing? Oh,
I need to see a candle print here. Like I'm not getting any type of like confirmation yet. There's no way I can take this trade. I'm just sitting here waiting to see if any type of criteria can get like formed for me, but so far there's nothing other than just area of interest.
Let's go, baby. Keep that short. Took the long up, got stopped out, went short, followed my system. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Bro, if this keeps melting, my next area is 400, bro. And I have no type of criteria to the top. This might just actually keep leading. I thought my P2P indicator would automatically be set to default when I installed it, but it doesn't look like Llama's. What do you mean? My shit's on default. These are the settings.
Well, I gotta sell some puts.
These are the settings.
Max, what strat was that?
Pretty sure this is default.
Buy the course, homeboy.
I'm pretty sure it's default, man.
I'm not talking to nobody. I gotta sell some puts.
Yeah, the shit is still bleeding. Bleeding. And right, might actually make its way. It looks like it's gonna start curling here a bit, but ES has stopped. I don't know. I gotta wait.
The Qs are dumping
off 1 micro. Nice.
90% is giving $40 a con right now. You gotta love the fucking volatility right now. 90% chance of success option sell with a $40 credit, unheard of.
It's just
Unheard of.
tanking. Where
We are
going
getting
to?
crushed right now, baby. Let's
I had a
go.
crazy 4 hour sleep.
You bought my course? You didn't connect your Discord, twin. You didn't disconnect. You didn't connect your Discord, my boy.
We're hitting a
SPX is
crazy. Look at
SPX
these
is
lows
starting to
we're about to
curl.
take. This might
SPX
be
is starting to
fucking.
curl.
Might be ready. Might be ready for an aggressive pop.
This guy said you guys are talking over each other. Hard to understand. Javi looks like he needs major caffeine. He called you Javi.
You said Javi?
The guy on YouTube called you Javi.
Called me Javi?
He goes, yeah, Javi looks like he needs major caffeine infusion, and Big Daddy's hyped to the moon and back. Interesting pair, but he called you Javi.
What just called me Javi? Brother, my fucking chart literally says my name on it. It literally says my name on it, you fucking donkey.
My boy said, man,
My
Javi
boy
looks
said
real tired.
Javi. How does he even know Javi's
Javi
name like
looks
that?
real tired this morning. He didn't even say you look like Javi. He said you look
I'm
like
exhausted,
Javi
bro.
tired. If Javi was extremely tired.
I'm exhausted, bro. Having a baby is not the move. I didn't think it would be that tiring.
I know that's right.
Bro, ES is fucking ripping. NQ needs to catch up here. Like, I don't know what's going on. ES is looking beautiful. NQ is just still bleeding. But if I see NQ break over 500, I'm going to click the button. ES is exploding right now. I need to get a solid printer over 500. Mexicans are usually Javis. Let's get a bang on that guy. Get a bang on that guy right now.
What type of Mexican is you anyway?
We're back. We're at the 500, but we're not breaking through. I need to see a breakthrough of 500 and I'll consider it. Thank you. A break over 500 and I'll consider taking this. We're just not, NQ's not going yet. And I feel like this is a very good area for it to try to go from.
Bro, not only that, I smacked my, look at this. Look at this. Bro, I'm on a heater right now. I'm on day 3 on flexes after my Lucid Pro payouts. I was stacking, look at this. And I'm green. Look at the green here on the fundeds. And I'm on day 3
That's huge.
with Lucid right now. And my current funded profit is just under 6,000 per account. Just under 6,000 per account. So if I just need to smack a couple lighter days, 3 or 400, and I should have a max payout coming next week across like 3 or 4 of the big firms. A lot of profit, a lot of good fucking trading. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
ES is now at topside orb and is rejecting. Like at this point, if Enki doesn't pop, we're gonna see just another leg down and ES fall.
Only 5. You can only have 5. Only 5. The rest are all evals, guys. The rest are evals. I think we're gonna keep dumping down. Just looking at SPX, look at all the golden MVGs. Look at all these golden MVGs. If it fails midline here, I mean, we got so many golden MVGs below. Look at this. It's like a freaking Jewish man's wet dream down here. The amount of gold that there is.
There's a newer low. There's ES topside orb and NQ still bearish as fuck. At this point, next level's here at 397. And then if it breaks that, bro, all the way at 28,000, be 1,000 point download.
Let's go. That's
Within
my
the day.
boy, Sean. That's the starting stack right there. That's the easy starting 10 stack right there, my boy. Guys, Tradeovate maintenance. It looks like there's a technical issue with Tradeovate. It looks like there's a technical issue with Tradeovate.
No, don't tell me that. Is there? Technical issue with Tradeovate? Don't tell me that.
Don't get caught, guys. Don't get caught. All right. Don't get caught. It's not the prop's fault if you get caught now. Remember that.
Technical issue with Tradeovate? Ooh, yeah.
Yep. It's not their fault if you get caught.
I don't think it's worth touching. Tired Lama, and it's me in a fucking Echo Unlimited with a bucket hat. Good bang going on that guy. Get a bang going on that guy. See y'all Monday. I think that's a good move. I think that's a good move.
A lot of people getting kicked out of their broker and everything. Obviously, you can hop on wealth charts, get your Tradeify stacks, get your Midgard stack, get your FFF stack. I mean, it's literally the only place you can trade alpha futures now. So you get your alpha futures.
240 points in profit.
Fuck. Holy shit! Nice
His
job.
TP is another 400 points away. That's crazy.
So wealth charts is the key. I can't cancel my order. And am I still recommending alpha? They've been removed from all partners of everything with us. But they are on wealth charts still. Some people still like alpha. They got rid of the bad plan and they started paying out the traders. Once they pay out everybody who was supposed to get a payout, once they all get paid out, I'll consider taking alpha on as a wealth charts partner. Yes.
At this point, it's clear it's gonna come down here. ES is still, to me, ES is still strong, bro. Like a spike can happen. I think a scalp can happen. Click the buy button here and just see it pop up for like 50 points. I don't know if it goes the whole way. That'd be crazy if it does, but I think you can see a scalp. Just be an anticipation trade. No type of confirmation. What does P50 mean? I see you're new to the indicator, brother. There's like 8 videos on there you should go watch. Like 8 of them.
But you know what's also crazy is
Mm.
I would not be surprised if we saw like a 2-minute
Midline.
110
So what?
point, like a 2-minute 110 point pop.
That's what
Like
that's what I think can happen. Like we're just gonna see a big ass spike, and it's gonna be like worth scalping. But it's like, look, here's the candle. This is the candle right here.
Guy said, I heard there's busty Asians here. If you find them, let
50
me know.
pointer.
If you find them, let me know.
We've been in search of the busties.
What's the most
of the busties?
Jew shit
Haven't
I've
found
ever
them.
done in my life? I don't know. Probably got circumcised. The fuck kind of question is that? What's the most Jewish thing I've done in my life? Probably getting circumcised when I was a baby. I don't fucking know.
What an
Dumbass.
answer. What an answer.
That's the best answer. It's the most Jewish thing I've probably done. Let's get snipped.
What an answer. Honestly, like I kind of respect that answer. What's the most Jewish thing you've ever done? Get circumcised. Okay.
Get circumcised.
Uh,
En este momento parece que hay un problema técnico con la integración de Trader Beta. Estamos en contacto con el broker para resolver el problema de forma que pueda negociar. Supe las molestias. Supe.
I'm not gonna lie, it's good. That's impressive. That's impressive. Did you guys hear the Espanoli? It was actually impressive.
All right, but how do you pronounce that last del Sculpe?
Which one?
Is it del Sculpe?
Disculpe. It's like I'm sorry. Disculpe. It's like my apologies.
Disculpe. Disculpe las molestias. Whoa.
Molestia.
I'm sorry for molestias.
Sorry for bothering you.
Sorry for molestias. Whoa. What are we getting into? Trade of fate.
Yeah.
Can I too be Jewish?
If we actually catch this print, you'll see the next move all the way to midline.
Bro, midline is what my target was. Midline is what I was talking about. Watch a 3-bar up on NQ, 100 points. I set it at 420, already 60 there. Watch the bell go off at 545. Classic midline rejection. Yeah, get ready for a classic midline rejection. $2 dono. Can I be Jewish too since I had skin removed? Ew, dude. What the fuck? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? What the fuck? Next step. Ooh, there you go. ES with a full break out of orb. This should at bare minimum go to
There we
midline. If
go.
not, this might be that.
Chat. I just tried to tell you, chat. Don't be surprised. The next 2 minutes, there's a 100-point reversal. SPX is breaking orb to the upside aggressively, and there's a very, very large gap here.
Look at O and B. One more day of $250 for a max Apex payout. Ooh.
On Apex, bro,
Ooh.
you could still get 6 figures in Apex payouts in 15 days. They just capped it.
Crazy.
You can do the 2,000, 25, and 3,000 and cross 20 accounts. Even if you have the smaller 50K, you could still do 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. My boy O and B is about to
Look at the
rinse
orb
Apex.
BNR here.
My boy O and B is about to rinse Apex
IFPG
for
one.
120 bands.
Interesting.
Bro,
This wick down was premium entry. This was an orb BNR. I'm not gonna
bring
lie.
OMB
It'd
up
break
here,
even
bro.
if you guys
Bring
jumped
my
in here.
dog OMB up here. He's been on a heater, bro. How much bread is he up? Bring him up here, bro. How much breach has my boy OMB been making? Big shout out, guys. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Max Options Trading, very own moderator and local leprechaun.
Are Jewish people like leprechauns? What the?
Fuck
question.
So what's up, guys?
Oh, and what's up, baby? Talk to us.
Bro, I've been killing it.
You,
Hey, you going
how
berserk?
much have you made in payouts in the last like 3 or 4 months?
Since the Motloo I got my first payout February 22nd. I'm up 120K.
Nice.
120,000 in payouts since
Yep.
Motley. Let's
Yep.
go. You're fucking killing it, bro. And how does it feel for a black man like yourself to come up 120,000 like that and in such a short period of time representing
I
your
just,
community?
watch brother coach there.
Deadline approaching.
He set a good example. I started catching, really what opened it up was I started hitting lucid on Asia. We started catching 100-point trades.
You started
And,
smacking with coach on Asia.
Yep.
Start hitting lucid heavy. I know you
Yep.
got moved to live with funded seat quick, 13 days, because you smacked them every day on daily payouts. And now you're about to get max payout on Apex, which is going to bring you into almost the 200,000 mark here soon.
Yep.
There's midline. Take a partial.
Since February.
Since February, the end of February, really. So not even, if I could have been hitting like this at the beginning of the year, I'd already be there. But
That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. What do you think the number one thing is for trading that's switched since the live event?
just being around everybody. You start to see it from everybody that comes to the Blitz, and I've heard a lot of people from Motley that said the same thing. It's just that being around people that are in it, it stops becoming a pipe dream and some kind of fantasy, and you start to take it a little more serious. So I just loaded
Wow.
up on accounts and took advantage of the partner promos and started doing one and done. And look,
That's
here we are.
literally the king. Do you think since you cried at the staff dinner that you got
Yeah,
all
that was
the
it.
you got all the bitch made out, and then you were like, it's time to get payouts?
It's time to be a
Yeah.
grown man.
That was my
Yeah.
humiliation ritual. Javi
was-
shows whole. I cried. It was,
Yeah, the worst thing was you cried next to me and Logan. Like if you were at any
Yeah.
part, bang, 130 points. I told you I set the fucking bell. I do this. Reversal to midline. 130 points. I do this. I told y'all to do it. Whoa! Oh, and that's amazing. That seriously is amazing. No, I'm obviously I'm fucking with you, but I'm also super proud of you. But I got to tell you, as like one of all my students, to get a text from a CEO saying, "Hey, does this guy work for you?" Yes, he does. Why? Because we have to move him
Killing
live.
us.
He's fucking killing us. And I'm like, okay. And he's like, where do you get these accounts from? I'm like, I gave them to him.
Right.
And then they're like, oh, well, we didn't mean for you to give your staff accounts. And I'm like, it doesn't matter who I give the accounts to. A trader.
Doesn't matter who you give it to, right?
Doesn't matter
Yeah,
who
what do you mean?
I said he's a trader like any other trader. I'm like, so what's it matter? And I'm like, plus, if you want to partner with me, my staff needs to be subject matter experts. And Owen is a talent. He's an instructor. He's a subject matter expert. So he needs to trade your shit. And my boy, they said, well, he's rinsing us 30 bands in the last week. We're moving them live. And I'm like,
Yep, that's what you want to hear right there.
it's what you want to hear. So, brother, I said, I don't know what you got going on, but I can't imagine how fucking awesome it must feel for you, your family, with your baby, everything. Just keep doing what you're doing. Honestly, keep doing what you're doing. You're making the family proud. Everyone here, you're killing the fucking game. As a black man in America, to be able to do what you're doing, it's unbelievably. I respect you wholeheartedly. And I think it's the best thing.
Yep. Well, hey, keep doing what you guys are doing. Appreciate you. Wouldn't be here without you guys. So I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing on the back end, and you guys keep killing it up here.
200 points.
That's it, my fucking dog. Ladies and gentlemen, W's in the chat for my boy Owen motherfucking B. W's in the chat for my Owen. And yes, the B stands for Black Man in America.
Later, guys.
Look at this fucking Ripper, 200 points.
Ripper.
Since I said it. 200 points since I said it. Get ready for the next 2 minutes because it's going to go up. I can't keep doing this, Lama. I can't keep doing this. I feel like I'm part of the charts. I feel like I'm connected with the charts on a deeper level. I'm connected with the charts, Lama. It's the tism. It's coming out.
Brother.
That BDM code on
I feel like it was a clear statement.
Past 10 accounts in one day. Just
click the button, and then next thing
we
you know,
got a dono
happens.
Funded and still rolling.
$4.99 dono from Joshua. The BDM code on Apex is fire. I passed 10 accounts in one day. Just made $350 per account this morning, and on the fundeds, still rolling. Good shit, my boy Joshua. Code BDM. Actually, I've heard rumors that code BDM, you have a 10% higher chance of a payout. That's a rumor, all right? I don't know if it's real, but I've been told if you use code BDM,
all the guest speakers.
Thank you, Javi, for the course and all the guest speakers. Big shout out to Javi and the Javi Maestro Mind. Shit is unbelievable.
The Havmeister. The Havmeister. The Havmeister.
But that account listed isn't even one of his account numbers. They're just putting out fires before they hit the mainstream.
Click the button, one and done. I told you it was great risk reward. There was zero confirmation until it got made, and then look at the fire off. That's a 200-point fire off. Like before, I always get in before indicators.
Another donation, 200. What strategy does Owen
use?
I believe Owen is a mastermind / PHPer. He is a mastermind / PHPer. So, of course, all of my students are the employees here. He is a mastermind student first, and I believe he is also using PHP, Owen. Is that correct? I'm not entirely. I believe that's the combo. Does he do PCP? That's racist. That's racist. Why? Because he's black. He said that? That's hella racist.
It's got to be racist.
And he also uses P2P fibs. So yeah, Owen's a whore. Owen's a whore.
He's a whore. Right. He's just a whore. Yeah. Yep. P2P only for black people, right? Man of the people. That's what they call me. They call me the man of the people. Course goes on sale in February's and June is when we get discounts on the course. Daily Gap 236 lined up perfectly. I zoomed out. I told you we look like we're in a prime area. I zoomed out for y'all. I'm like, whoa, look at what we're doing here.
Let's go. Congratulations, my boy. I'll be on wealth charts. I'll be on wealth charts at 1 p.m. today.
It just made the most sense. That type of trade just made the most sense.
I'll be on wealth charts at 1 p.m. today, dropping sauce. I'll be dropping sauce. It's a big V shape. Oh my god! And I sold so many puts at the bottom. My god. Oh.
I'm not gonna lie. That or BNR was crispy as fuck right here. Clean with the retap of the entry. Bang, bang. Now we can see some type of midline. Yeah, NQ not having a midline tap is probably gonna.
Bro, that orb bounce was so. That orb bounce was so easy with the treasy and the contineasy to the mid schneezy with the content bleezy with the future teasy and Steve. You was your bees.
And know that, right? You're not lying though. You're really not lying though. It was just kind
You know
of
what's crazy? That's a real picture.
worth it.
That's not even a fake picture. That's a real
That was
picture.
actually real. The one of Owen and
actually
I
real.
watched them take it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually real. Let's fucking go, baby.
I actually watched them boys take that pick. Not gonna lie. It was very
Good that I
concerning.
sold puts at the bottom. Yeah, yeah. You want to sell puts at the bottom and sell calls at the top. Yep.
Mm-mm.
Good shit, Katie. Good shit. Looks like
It's the
everybody.
orb tab.
Looks like everybody's eating. Look at the full orb tap, baby. Congratulations.
Bottom to top of orb.
Not
Insane.
one fucking person nailed the bottom like we do, baby. I be nailing bottom. You know how I be nailing bottom.
You be nailing bottom?
Yeah, I don't even care, bro. I see a bottom like that, nice, well-rounded, not too fat, just a nice, clean, circular, well-rounded bottom. You know I'm gonna come up with that thing,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm just
No, I
gonna,
know. I know. I know what you do.
and I'm gonna nail the fuck out of it.
All right. I
You
respect
know,
that.
fuck out of it.
You know I respect that. I'm not gonna lie, you know I respect that. I'm not gonna lie, bro. The more I look at this, these were fire offs of a lifetime in the past 3 hours. Fire off of a fucking lifetime.
Oh, that was a life-changing fucking. That was a life-changing orb bounce. That was a life-changing orb bounce. What are we even talking about right now on NQ from the orb bottom to where it's at right now? 274 points in the last 15 minutes, chat. 274 points in the last 15 minutes. That V, look at that V. That V belongs on a beach somewhere. Tight, sexual. Look at
On a
that tight-
beach?
Yeah. Yeah, that V
Sexual
belongs.
V?
Yeah,
Dude.
that V.
This shit actually did 400 down and it's about to do 400 back up. 325.
That V looks like it belongs on a fucking OnlyFans account. So
And look,
goddamn.
this is probably gonna fire off short in a bit. Once ES takes this, you're gonna see a fire off there. What a fucking explosion, dude. Holy
Get ready.
fuck balls.
Oh, it was so easy to see.
Holy fuck balls.
Sometimes I just forget I'm him. Guys, don't forget Monday. Don't miss Monday. Hey, I'm gonna tell you right now. You might want to be here Monday because I'm gonna make the announcement. One of them. So you might want to be here on Monday because there's gonna be an announcement.
Announcement?
That's all I'm saying.
Announcement, Maxie?
Yeah, big announcement. You better like the stream. I'm ready to start doing giveaways. I'm ready
You
to
say
start doing
announcement?
giveaways. I was gonna ready.
You say there's gonna be announcement?
There's gonna be a big announcement, Rama. And it involves the Rama. It involves Rama's son. It involves Rama. The biggest, the largest, cooking the kraken. Look at the pop.
Not the biggest, the largest.
Is the announcement
On the
bigger than me?
funded. Nice. There you go.
Yeah. Live account using one Mickey. Like that. Taking it slow on the live account. I really like that. That's daily payouts. That's free breach. So you're killing it doing that. You're killing it doing that. That's free breach.
I'm gonna check this out. Hold on.
Apex payouts take up to
$500. Is
On
that
the
one
legacy.
micro? Oh, he's in at 491. And it's
Oh.
at 7. Oh my god, yeah, you're up fucking 1,000 ticks.
Damn.
Or about 1,000 ticks. Can someone answer me? Fuck, I
Can
lost it.
someone answer
How
me?
long does it take for Apex payout to hit your bank account? 3 to 4 business days.
Oh, 3 to 4 business days? A 3 to 4 business days. How many business days for you? 3 to 4? 3 to 4 business days? Oh. Oh, this
Three
is
to
amazing.
4 business day.
Guys, can
And
we
Q
get
did
some
another
likes?
orb rip through orb. You can expect an orb tab at one point, at some point of the day, and it might be after this candle. If we
Chat.
don't break over a new high, you're going to see the orb after this.
Chat, click the button in the fucking chat, the YouTube button. Click on it, open it, go click on the stream right there at the like button. There's a like button right there. Click the little thumbs up button, like the video, click the little thumbs up button. It takes 10 seconds for you guys to like the stream. 10 seconds. And it helps us tremendously. It's free for you to do. It takes 10 seconds to just click the button, go there, click the little thumbs up, and like the stream. It helps tremendously. So for us and for our YouTube and for what we're able to prove to the sponsors to be able to do more giveaways. So the Maxway works 24 hours a day. It means the world to the network. And it also helps us tell props, hey, you should let us do 5 giveaways on the YouTube. And they're like, why? And I'm like, well, we get 500 fucking likes. And they're like,
Yeah,
oh,
we get
that's
500 likes.
pretty
Obviously, we need to
solid.
do some.
I guess that YouTube's popping. We got 500 people, 500 likes. Big up, the audience is active. Y'all leave us at 12 fucking likes. It's really hard for me to say, hey, I should be able to give out 50 accounts a week. And they're like, why? Your fucking people suck. They only give you 12 likes. Even though you call out 400 fucking points. It takes 10 seconds. It takes 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. Some of you don't even last 10 seconds in the bed.
I know I don't.
I know Lama don't.
I know I don't.
I know Lama don't.
Ten seconds. So you know what you could do in 10 seconds, Max? You do really want to know? Make a baby.
I know that's right.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, I know that, right? Good at 10 seconds.
What?
It's a good 10 seconds, man. Do y'all eat the grass on the strawberry?
I think I've done it before, yeah.
Nah, fuck no. What the fuck? No. I was just asking. I don't eat nothing.
No, I've eaten the grass. But you're a cow. You be grazing, right?
No, that's not true. I don't eat any greens.
You don't be grazing?
I be greasing. Stupid ass shit. Look at that way. What you that, boy?
Grazing. All right, we're gonna start the
I be
giveaways. Thank you.
greasing,
Guys.
yep.
400 likes is very nice. So with 400 likes,
Do I eat the skin of a kiwi? I don't eat kiwis. Who the fuck eats
giveaway
hairy
150 on
fruit?
the clock. Code word is lucid trading. Lucid trading is the code word. Type in lucid trading on the YouTube for your chance to win a lucid loot box, baby. That's up to 100K direct funded.
A roosted robot, please.
Type in lucid trading, baby. Type in lucid trading. I want to tell you guys
10
something.
o'clock.
I want to give a big shout out to Wealth Charts this morning. I'm not going to lie to you guys. There was a big ass fucking candle when I was in a trade this morning that would have caused massive slippage in most sim environments and live environment, massive slippage. And there was 0 on the Wealth Charts, 0 across my 10 traded accounts. So I think that's wildly fucking impressive. With my experience with many brokers, I got to tell you something. Very impressed with Wealth Charts this morning and the trading and the volatility that they've taken on. I'm very impressed. I had a stop set. It hit my stop. And most of the time, it would blow right through. You'd take a lot of slippage. Zero.
Look at it all,
Slip.
man.
Zero is wildly impressive. Eat the grass.
I ain't eating grass.
Eat the grass.
I don't eat any type of greens. No greens. Only like green apple candy. Or like jalapeno. I eat a jalapeno. I won't eat this green, but bet you I eat some rectum though. I draw the line at healthy.
That's disgusting.
Guac, I do eat guac. I'm not gonna I do eat guac.
You eat guacamole?
I eat that guacamole with that motherfucker.
You eat guacamole, 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 guacamole.
You eat cilantro? Fuck no, I don't eat cilantro. I hate that shit. I hate cilantro.
I think that's the craziest stat that you have.
I hate that shit.
That's the craziest statistic about you is that you hate
fake ass Mexican. Let's get a bang going on Logan.
No, for real. You are a fake ass Mexican, bro. I love.
I'm not Mexican.
You're not?
No. So basically, I'm not Mexican. Stupid asses.
What kind of Mexican are you then?
No pay to play on a Friday. What's wrong with this stream?
Bro, he just ate the grass.
I just fucking ate pineapples and strawberries. Like, what more do y'all want from me? Called the fucking bottom. Like, what the fuck are we even talking about right now? Weren't you 25% Italian? Yes, I actually am. Luca doesn't believe that I'm actually Italian. I have an Italian passport. And he doesn't believe I'm Italian. Like, I'm telling you, something's wrong with that kid. You know, it's like in that third world country he lives in, like, it's hard to believe other things. Aren't you Colombian? No. Show rectum? No.
Luca's not even Italian. He's been
Italian.
He's been Italian baiting us all. He's fucking Sicilian.
From fucking Sicily. Shit don't even make sense.
He's from fucking Sicily.
That's the full 400 up. Look at these. Look at these. I'll tell you, where's Owen? Do we have Owen in the chat?
Black
Indicator Owen?
Black Owen
He did his
or
fucking
what?
job here.
Indicator
So give me the minimal amount of fire offs. There's one fire off for 400, and there's the second fire off for 450. Two fire offs, almost 1,000 points
Not
in
gonna
3
lie.
hours.
That's a fucking commercial, twin. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a commercial. This is like a full on advertisement. The top for 400 points and the bottom for 450 points.
That's a fucking commercial, twin. P2P went crazy today.
In about 4 hours, almost 1,000 points.
Lied to you. That's a fucking commercial.
And I literally did the whole Wealth Summit shit explaining this shit yesterday. Just explaining how simple. I even did it with Javi's class.
Yeah, I know you did. You piece of shit, cocksucking fucking llama. You
fucking llama. Piece of shit.
You fucking
piece of shit, cocksucking.
Yo, did this shit pick a winner yet or what?
I don't know, bro, but I'm in a good mood today. I think we give away 10 indicators off the rip. Off the rip. First person to tag Logan gets an indicator.
Oh, I like that.
All right, there goes the first one. R dropped.
R dropped.
Congratulations, R dropped. Open a support ticket. You got yourself. Oh my, is that Logan? Say.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Oh my god. Congratulations, Lucky Medic. Congratulations, Lucky Medic. We're gonna do another giveaway. We're gonna do another giveaway right now. 150 the clock. We're gonna put 150 seconds on the clock. Code word is Big Daddy Max. Code word is Big Daddy Max. Bro, I hate you, dog. I hate this.
All right, second giveaway. Bang. We're doing another. I'm dead ass giving away 10 indicators off the rip. Let's do another one on YouTube. Let's just keep them running, bro. It's 10:13. What the fuck do we do for the next hour?
I'm just doing giveaways.
We just gotta run giveaways at this point.
I'm just gonna keep giving shit away, bro. I don't give a fuck.
We have another hour. We literally called the short over here at 620, a 200-point down move, and then the long for 400 points. That's 600 points in 45 minutes of trading. If anyone says to me, what is the next trade? I promise you I'll ban you. Let's see. Who's got the balls?
One and done.
What's the next trade? Yeah, buddy. Congratulations. Oh, and it's Cheddar. You're man, brother. It was nice knowing you, brother.
Or whatever.
Or whatever. Watch this, Cheddar.
Big shout out, $20 dono for $20 dono from officially on one.
Don't.
Thank you for the dono. Sam, mark me a meeting Monday at 11:15, please. Yep. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, let's just keep running giveaways and shit. Fucking Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise up. Let it go. I'm right here. I know that's right. I'm right here. I'm right here, chatting whatever. Whatever. Let's see. We're entering a range box right now. Trading. We're entering a range box.
Whatever. Any busties in this motherfucker?
I want some busty Asian in the motherfucker. I want some busty Asian in the motherfucker. Congratulations, Motorbike Nerd 1. Motorbike Nerd 1. You've won a Lucid Loot Box. Congratulations, Motorbike Nerd. Let's do one more on the YouTube. Fuck it. Lama, do another, drop some more indicators on the chat.
More indicators in the chat. First person to tag Ball Dan. First person to tag Ball Dan in the chat. First person to tag Ball Dan. First two people to tag Ball Dan in the chat. First two people to tag Ball Dan in the chat. First two.
Luca and Hermes.
Is that fucking Luca?
Fucking Luca.
Do we give it to Luca or do we skip Luca?
He said, "You losers."
Who said that?
Fucking Luca. Get that Sicilian prick on stage right now. Get him on
Fucking
stage right now.
Sicilian prick, bro.
Get that Sicilian prick on stage right now.
This fucking Sicilian prick, bro.
Yeah, get him on stage. Get fucking Logan up here too.
Yo, chat. I muted Luca. Everybody start dropping pictures of Luca with rainbows all around him.
Oh, YouTube, listen. YouTube. Do not tag Ball Dan. Do not tag Ball Dan on YouTube. The code word on YouTube is MOT. The code word on YouTube right now is MOT. Type in MOT. MOT for your chance to win another Lucid Loot Box on MOT. Luca, what the fuck?
Yo.
Did we get the winners for that one though? The two for it was Hermes. We're gonna go over Luca and it was TK. Hermes and TK.
What's this photo all
These
about?
are the winners.
What the fuck is this photo?
It happened.
Why is Luca flexing behind you like that in the bathroom? And why you look like what? Another thing.
Yeah, why is it your story?
Luca, I didn't
on
know
your
that.
story.
I put it on my story. Yeah, Luca, why Do you play in the movie Odyssey?
No. Yeah.
You're not
Give me the
the
screenshot. No, I'm not. Give me the
Not
screenshot.
Achilles?
you're not Achilles?
No, I'm not.
Are you related to Elliot Page?
Do you
Nope.
Oh, I thought you were playing I thought you were playing Achilles in the new movie Odyssey. But I mean I might have missed I thought I might have missed, same build, same running
Yeah,
style.
the same one. Guys, that one, I hate that one, Sniper. I fucking hate that one. Sam, also that one. Guys.
What do you hate
know,
about
man.
it? Is it the nose?
What's like?
Yeah.
What do you really hate about it? Is it the nose? Is
Yeah,
it
the
because you
nose,
look
it's-
Jewish?
Do I?
With the nose like that,
The nose.
You could no seriously, if you had a yarmulke on and like a blue suit, you could be a Yit.
I don't even know what that is, so fine.
Yiddish.
Bro,
You
use
could be Yiddish.
context clues, bro.
You could be Yiddish.
Oh. Hey, look, why, Nick? Why? Nick, I'm gonna get you banned one day or another. I'm gonna fucking get you banned.
All right.
Hell.
Nick, oh, you already got the indicator. Fuck. I was about to say that's a good one. That is a good one.
All right. First person to post a new photo of Luca that he hates. One that we
That he
haven't
fucking
seen before.
despise. Whoa.
Congratulations. It made-
He gets
Hold
it.
on. It's Monday.
Look
he
at that.
definitely gets
But my-
one. It's
my
Monday.
fucking-
Definitely gets one.
Well, he made a max stop. What the fuck?
My forehead is not even that
It's
big.
Monday. Open a support ticket. Indicator coming your way. That was really good.
Hendrick,
Holy shit.
congratulations, Hendrick. You have won a Lucy Loot box.
Oh, that was funny as fuck. Holy shit.
So who plays Odysseus in the new movie? Matt Damon?
I guess.
So, probably.
Then who
Yeah,
does who does
guess.
Elliot Page play?
I think Achilles.
Don't fucking say Elliot Page plays Achilles.
I'm pretty sure it's Achilles. The most
No.
badass the entire movie is
No
fucking,
fucking way.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
Yeah.
I don't think
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
Achilles.
Dude, I'm
Oh, I
pretty
think
sure
I don't think it is Achilles.
Yes.
No fucking way they did that.
it's a Christopher Nolan movie too. So I'm like, why did he go woke? Which is crazy.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. If you're telling me this is what happened, this is the biggest downgrade in fucking cinema history. Are
That's
you
enough.
kidding me? Brad Pitt is so hot, I would blow him. And he plays Achilles perfectly.
If Lama
plays
makes all that
Achilles
money like he says
perfectly.
he
Look at
does,
that
where's
perfect
Golden
man.
Kippa?
And then you're telling me that we got
Sam.
Luca without a fucking mustache playing the new Achilles?
What? Why? Why? Like why?
Fuck that. I mean, one hot right now, boy. I wanted to go see
Wait,
the
so
movie.
they went with the gay woke tranny as Achilles? There's no way. So it is another form of Troy then, if Achilles in the movie.
Yes.
It's not. So technically, it's not Achilles, but it's Achilles isn't in this. Sinan isn't in this, but Sinan's the main supporting actor, the badass. So it's pretty much fucking Achilles.
So they basically made a fictional character
Yeah.
to pretend it's Achilles,
Yeah,
but they didn't want to really insult Brad Pitt like that.
yeah.
Thank you,
Matt Damon
Christopher.
is still the main one, but fucking this tranny is the fucking supporting role.
I'm done. He's made some good movies. That's wildly unacceptable. It's
Thank
wildly
you, Miguel,
unacceptable.
by the
to
way.
fucking take
Thank
Brad
you.
Pitt Achilles like that.
Thank you, Miguel.
That is
Pleased.
wildly unacceptable. That
It's
is
funny. There's a video I saw of her because it's a fucking chick. Just because you don't have a dick, just because you have a dick attached to you doesn't mean you're not a chick. Was running across like a beach and 120 pounds soaking wet, plastic armor, was struggling to just like move. And then you got Troy, who just dodges spears, fucking murks the dude. And then you got this fucking she lady, or fucking whatever the fuck it's called, struggling to get across the beach in plastic armor. It's crazy.
I know that the Odyssey and Odysseus is fake. I know it was written. I know book or whatever back in the day. I know it's not real, but it's based on Greek mythology.
Yeah.
And if it's based on Greek mythology, there's Luca and his sister. If it's based on Greek mythology, then there should be some truth to the mythology.
Right. I don't think there was trannies back then.
It's just such a slap in the face to Troy. Troy
So
is
imagine
one of-
Leonidas. Imagine Leonidas and Spartan 300 was just a chick,
No,
Come
I
on.
can't.
right?
I don't want to imagine that.
Bro, could you imagine if they remade 300 and put a fucking chick as the fucking Leonidas? Like you had Luca as Leonidas?
You
Yeah.
fucking thirsty. Yeah. I'm not even gonna answer. Look at that. Look how fucking
Bro.
that.
Whoa.
Bro,
That
look
was
at-
crazy.
Bro, Nick is so fast with it too.
I don't wanna answer. It's not even.
Welcome to MOT, Luca.
Luca,
Yeah,
say,
yeah.
Luca,
feel it.
say, this is Sparta. You don't even have to do the A thing. It comes natural.
You wanna really want me to do it?
Yeah.
You
That's
got
it.
to scream. This is Sparta.
Like, this is Sparta! Like something like that?
It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad.
Sounded very
It's actually pretty
feminine.
good. It's actually pretty good. All right, now Lama, can you do it in
Feminine.
Spanish?
Españoli?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. Muy bien. Esparta! Arriba!
That was horrible.
And you call me gay.
Yes.
I'm fine.
Llama,
Yeah.
Llama, that was the gayest thing I've heard all day.
Fair,
100% confirmed.
All right, now
Fair.
Logan,
Oh, sorry.
can you
Can you do it in
Logan,
fucking
can you-
Hebrew for us,
Logan,
Max?
can you do it in German?
Das ist Sparta.
It actually sounded pretty good. That one actually sounded
How
pretty
do you
intimidating.
say, this is Sparta in Jewish.
In Jewish.
In Jewish.
Yeah. It would say Ze Sparta. So it'd just be
They would never be.
Sparta.
They would never be a part of Sparta. They're just handling the coin on back in the base because
handling the coin.
What did you say?
they're not going out in the battlefield. They just sit in the treasury dealing with the money back then.
Who, Jews?
Yeah.
No, I think back in the day, shit, what were Jews doing back in like the Greek times? Were Jews around back then? I don't think there were. What were? That's a good
In the
question.
Greek times?
What
they were just-
were Jewish
They're just
people
late.
doing during Greek times? That's a good question. What were the Jews up to? I think we were just traveling. I think that's where the Ashkenazis come in. During this period, roughly 800 BC to 146 BC, the Jews were living in Judea, growing Jewish communities across
Judea?
the Eastern Mediterranean. Before Alexander the Great, the Jews were just hanging out in the Persian Empire around Jerusalem. After Alexander the Great, the Ptolemies ruled Judea from Egypt, so they're just hanging around Egypt for a little bit.
They were just complaining. Jews were complaining about something around that time.
Yeah, and what do you mean that they were?
The Jews were just really complaining about Alexander at that time. That
Max, can you explain me like what you mean when you say that they were just hanging around that area like for centuries, like what they were doing?
It looks like they were just practicing Judaism, probably just complaining a lot about the heat. And then they rebuilt a temple or two, so that was
Oh.
pretty cool.
Underground tunnels, probably the same stuff they do in Brooklyn.
They started translating a lot of the scriptures. Oh shit! In 160 BC, Jewish rebels defeated the Seleucid forces, and they rededicated the temple in Jerusalem. So they took back their shit. So they were like, and then in 63 BC, after that, Jews were like, yeah, we're claiming this the Jewish kingdom. Traditional Jews resisted Greek culture, particularly when they were threatened by their religious. I mean, they were kind of thugs. They were kind of thugs. They were just kind of like, fuck
Sounds
you.
like they were just rebelling and doing slippery snake shit around.
They were just kind of thugging, like, fuck you Greeks. You know what I'm saying? Like, you Greeks are fucking hella lame. We don't fuck with this 300 shit. You guys are beefing with the Persians. We don't fuck with that. And they were like, we're just gonna go play with the shekel.
Which is ironic that they didn't fuck with beefing with the Persians, because Persians is just Iran, and now Iran and Israel hate each other.
Do they?
Yeah. It's like the whole war is pretty much based on that. But Persia's just Iran. Anybody who says I'm Persian, it's like you weren't alive 2,000 years ago. You're just Iranian. They just want to sound cool.
They switch names and they switch everything. Do Indian history next? No, absolutely not.
I had this conversation last night about how we just dislike Indians. Is that Jay Hooley?
Yeah, he keeps
Sold
posting
to me for a case of honey buns.
He keeps posting him and Logan in prison together, saying that Logan was sold to him.
Sold to him for a case of honey buns.
He keeps posting a picture of him and Logan in prison, and he keeps saying Logan was sold to him. I kept that boy a virgin. He keeps doing it too. He's got a picture of him and Logan in jail too. He keeps saying, I bought Logan. I bought Logan. I fuck with Persians because like they like gold and shit. And I think gold is cool.
History of Indians. 7-Eleven began in 1927 in Dallas, Texas, when an ice dock employee named Uncle Johnny Green started selling eggs, milk, and bread alongside blocks of. The fuck did I just read that for?
I don't know, but give him a free indicator. That was hilarious. All right. Well, since we have Luca here, I mean, we might as well. Can you tell me about Sicilian history? All right, let's find out about Sicilian history. So 10,000 years ago, it was like people showed up, the island had fish, fertile land, volcano views, and said, we're staying. Wow. That's literally what it starts off with. Look at this.
Man, like it's the biggest island in the center.
And then
of
the Greeks arrive around
Mediterranean.
750, and they're like, you know what this island needs? Democracy. And they started building temples and inventing things and drinking wine. The Greeks basically turned Sicily into Miami Beach. Then there was the Carthaginians.
Yeah, Carthaginians.
Carthaginians showed up. They're like, this is a nice ass island. It'd be crazy if we invaded it. And then they invaded it.
Everyone been here.
Yep. And then the
Romans
win.
Byzantines,
and then the
Arabs.
Romans were like, congratulations. You're now the giant farm of Rome. So start farming and shipping grain to Rome.
Then you got.
And then there was a lot of vandalism vandals and Byzantines. And then the Arabs showed up. The Muslim Arabs invaded.
Correct.
Yep, in 827 AD, and they brought lemons, oranges, sugar, and some more culture. Sicily basically got a software update when the Arabs showed up, and then the Normans, some Vikings showed up who were French, and they were like, you know what, we're gonna conquer Sicily. But they didn't destroy anything. They just came and conquered it and started building castles.
Yeah, we got everything in here, man.
And then kind of Sicily kind of got passed around like a whore for 800 years after that. Germans took it over, French took it back, Spanish took it over, Austrians, Bourbons, everyone just kind of started taking it over.
Yeah, it's my bitch.
Oh, here's a good part. Now the mafia showed up
Hmm.
because for centuries governments kept changing, justice was unreliable, local landowners often relied on private protection, and eventually this is where the mafia comes from. I didn't know
Yeah,
that. So the mafia came from
basically,
private protection organizations that became enormously powerful in Sicily.
yeah, basically when like government was lacking in Sicily after World War II, especially, like people started to make their own, make justice for themselves. Is that how you say it in English?
Right.
And yeah, so it went on for decades, and the mafia went like began
So it
to
essentially said Sicily broken down today is like someone who's lived with 17 different cultural roommates. The DNA is mostly Greek, the food is more Arab, the churches are Norman, the language has Spanish influence, the
yeah,
roads,
French influence.
the
Yeah,
roads and the construction still confuse everyone. There's a volcano still there,
I got
and
a volcano. I see the volcano from my
Just
balcony.
down from my
after
house.
3,000 years, Sicily just basically said, "We got great food."
Yeah,
That's not
that's a
bad.
nice. Yeah, that's a nice
Bad.
summary.
That's not bad. That's
Yeah.
not bad. Why do Sicilians have such big noses? There's not evidence that they do have unusually large
Thank you.
noses, but there is a stereotype that over the 1,000 years of migration, um, there's a wide range of facial features, skin tones, eye colors, and stuff. Um, the idea that Sicilians have big noses is similar to Irish people have red hair, Italians talk with their hands, but the DNA is very complicated. So,
Mhm.
okay, okay, so it's just a stereotype. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. No, they're-
Thanks to the AI.
Yes, thanks
Yeah,
to yes, that's
yeah,
it's Chat GPT. Yes,
Mhm,
yeah.
mhm,
Thank you.
mhm.
AI just broke you down into a stereotype.
Wow.
How do you feel about that?
How do I feel about that?
Yeah.
I mean, it was about the nose shit or about the history stuff.
The whole history of Sicily, was that pretty accurate?
Yeah, yeah. It was.
Yeah.
Do you know the history of America?
Basically, when all of that was happening in Sicily, basically nothing was going on
No,
in
yeah, we didn't
America.
exist yet. Yeah, we didn't exist
Yeah,
yet.
basically. Yeah, and you fought among each other, among yourself for quite a while
Yep.
for some stuff that you
We
wanted to do. Or
we settled here. There was 13 colonies, and then the English were trying to tax us, and we're like, "Yo, you ain't fucking taxing us, twin. We're gonna fuck your tea up." And so we fucked up their tea, and that started a war, and in which we clearly beat that ass from a
yeah,
militia, an American militia. Basically, just a bunch of Logans got together, and we're like, "Not today, chief." Uh, some guy named Paul Revere started ringing a bell. Not sure why. It was like the British are coming, the British are coming, and then they
Oh, the
just
British are coming. Oh
they
my
fucked
God.
them up. Yep, they
Hey.
fucked them up, and then they won the war. And then after they won the war, they started migrating west, and they found the real locals, and they were like, "Wouldn't it be cool if we gifted them blankets and poisoned them?" So that happened, and so that was kind of rude. Um, and then they just kept
kinda.
traveling west, right? Struck gold, and when they found gold in California, they're like, "We'll stay here," and maybe in 2,000 years start cutting our dicks off. I mean, so that happened.
Nice,
Um,
nice, nice.
like a star in the Odyssey. And then yeah, and then really the North and the South started disliking each
Yeah.
other. I don't want to say why, but the
Why?
North and the
Why?
South, they were having problems with each other. Um,
Problems? What kind of problems?
it was based off of states' rights at that time. There wasn't really an
State rights?
there wasn't an established federal government, so it was more of like states' rights in politics. That's basically what happened.
Right.
So it's very political per each state. So, um,
Mm.
and so after states' rights, we decided North and the South, we got a beef. We got a beef real quick, in which the North did win. The North
Are
did
you
win.
happy? Are you happy about the outcome?
I would like a round 2 at some point. I wouldn't
Oh,
mind a
right,
round
right,
2.
right.
Yeah, I would definitely would be okay with a round 2. Like if they wanted to step back in the fucking ring with the South, you know, I would totally
Right,
be
best
okay.
of 3. I think that would be
Right,
fine.
I think we should do a best of 3. I think we should do a best of 3, and we should absolutely do a little blue versus red, you know? Do a little BVR, you know, and see what happens. See what happens. But then that happened, and then I don't know. That I'm not really sure. I think we started building railroad, and then George Floyd died.
Oh, that was a nice jump in history.
Yeah,
Funny.
and I really, I don't, and that led into COVID, and
Oh,
Donald
right.
Trump got elected president twice, and now he's selling his tweets for pre-access. Now he's
Private
selling his
Discord.
pre-access
No giveaways.
tweets so you can jump on stocks before anyone else. So,
Yeah.
America's the greatest place on earth.
Yeah.
I won't say it's the greatest country in the world because our food and our healthcare system and our education system are failing tremendously, but it's the coolest place to be for sure.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Fuck that. We're
I
the
can agree
greatest
with
country. Yeah, for our education, and we're all retarded and we're poisoning each other. It's still the greatest country.
We have the greatest education system in the world. University system, nice.
Oh, the
Teddy
university
Glock
system, the one that
Teddy Glock said,
Gonna
typical
be-
white man not telling the true story of America. Did my white funny comedy bit about America wasn't the true story, and because I'm white, that's why it happened. Teddy Guap, are you retarded?
Yeah, baby.
Are you actually retarded? Jesus Christ. Think about how I just explained the history of America. And this guy goes, typical white guy not telling the truth. Like, what the fuck?
Typical
Yeah. What the fuck? Like, did you hear what I just said?
the story would be
Yeah.
true.
I said a bunch of Logans
Salute
got
face
together
emoji.
and said,
Another
"Not
great
here,
week in the
bro."
books. Thanks, fan.
But
USA emoji.
that's totally fine. That made sense.
May I
Jesus.
say also typical white guy that wants a round 2, best of 3?
Best of 3. Yeah, no, typical white not telling the truth about American history.
Yeah, yeah.
Teddy, where is actually? I want Teddy to come up here and explain his version of American history.
I'm just gonna mute myself in advance.
Ooh,
'cause
Here we
who
go.
was it that's private?
Your fucking boy, Teddy. It's always your fucking people.
It's always P2Ps,
What
students.
you mean by
Always.
my people?
It's always
Gotta be
fucking
racist.
always P2Pers.
Gotta be racist.
Teddy, come on up.
Fuck, I get the blame for.
Because it's your students, bro, who say
What the fuck you
retarded
want me to
shit.
do about it?
They just be saying retarded shit.
You don't want to get impressed.
Man,
I'm
they
not
did
talking about anything. I just think it's funny. I want to hear his version of.
Oh, that boy called you racist. You racist. It is what it is.
I have a black brother who's more dark skinned than him.
You don't even like him.
Who? Trey Rome? He might be
Oh,
coming here.
we got to bring that boy Trey up for an interview. Got to bring him up.
Trey would come on the show.
We got to bring him up for a full interview.
Where's Teddy
And-
Guap?
and give him a friendly comment.
Teddy, don't be a hoe, bro. Don't say some stupid shit to be a hoe, bro. Come on the stage. Tell us American history, bro. All right.
Oh, it's this guy. I remember seeing this guy
Yo.
say some dumb shit the other
Teddy.
day.
Oh, what you mean? Because I said that Melly and Kodak shit.
Melly
Yeah,
and
you was
Kodak?
tripping that day.
Man, hey, look, everybody entitled to their own opinion. I think
I want to
Melly-
hear your
I think
opinion.
Melly's a better
hold
race
on,
than
hold
Can
on,
you
Kodak.
tell us about American history?
Do you have a
Yes or
camera?
no?
Where's your camera?
So, huh? You said what?
Where's your camera?
I can't get it on right now.
Why?
'Cause I can't get it on right now.
All right.
The
well, can you
background,
do it?
background
Bring
ain't.
Bring us back. July 4th, 1776.
That was Independence Day. That was Independence Day. But you skipped the whole part.
Oh,
You
was it?
jumped to George Floyd. You skipped the whole niggas was enslaved part. You skipped the whole
No, I
built on
didn't.
America's
First,
back.
too.
No, I didn't. I went over the whole.
No,
Civil
you
War
skipped all the way to
based
George
on
Floyd's
states'
knee on
rights.
the neck.
He said
So
something
tell
about
your
them being in
part. So tell
Paris
your
too.
part. Okay. So tell your part.
Y'all scooped up niggas from Africa, came over here, poisoned everybody, killed hella people, made your way on over, killed hella people on over to California, as you said, but used
on,
us
Did
as
Americans
Hold
scoop
on.
them up
Whoa,
from
whoa, whoa,
Africa,
whoa,
or
whoa,
did
whoa.
Europeans bring
No.
them?
Hold on, twin.
no,
Was
that's
it
a lie. That is
Americans?
a lie. If you are under war, are you gonna do what your oppressors say, or are you just gonna let everybody die?
No, Teddy. Here's the thing that we're
I
trying
don't
to
know what
say.
that
Period.
means.
If you're under
It wasn't
oppression, stay with it.
Americans. It wasn't Americans who scooped y'all up in the bins.
No,
It was
It's
Europeans.
Europeans. How do we go to fucking Africa and come back?
We
And
fucking
forget in the
Europeans out.
1800s.
There's a book called Jewish, the tie between Africans and Jewish, and
Oh
Jewish
God.
people are the one. Hey, look, this is written history. It's written history, my
Written
brother. Hey, I'm
history.
just telling you the truth. Don't get mad at me for telling you the truth. I'm just telling.
I want to hear it. I want to hear
The
it.
Spaniards and the Jewish were the ones who funded those ships and all of this shit to get them over here, bro. Hey, this is just
So the
it's
Jews
written,
been rich. They've been had bread.
bro. The Ashkenazi, look, we're not even going there. We were talking about American history.
What's
All I said
American
is
history?
typical
All right,
white
so
man to
fast
skip the
forward.
truth. I was just saying
Fast
you skipping
forward.
niggas. You skipping over niggas like niggas ain't happen. That's what Luca was saying. And don't mind, my voice is just strong. I'm not yelling. My voice is just hella strong. But
It's all right. Go ahead.
yeah,
So we
but yeah,
skipped it
that's
over.
what Luca
Okay,
was
so
saying. He was like,
tell your
and
part of
what
American
happened?
history.
Say what?
They got so all the Africans got to America. What happened?
We were just used for fucking everything. What do you mean?
And what? And that's a
Used for
bad thing?
shields. We was used for work. We was used for raising our babies. We was used for everything, bro. Every fucking thing. We made America. We built America.
I agree.
It was built off our
Nice.
back.
I agree.
Y'all's brain power, our backs.
Who y'all? Who's y'all?
Hey, no, y'all ain't coming. You ain't coming until later.
You.
Your
I'm a
kind,
first
your back.
actually.
But y'all was here, not you. Say what, Logan?
I'm a first generation American. My family was not here. I had nothing. My
That's what
family
I'm
had
saying,
not you.
bro. Like,
I'm
that boy instantly like, oh, I'll grab y'all crackers.
Logan, don't
This
swing
man,
on me, cuz.
American.
Chill out, cuz. Don't
What?
swing on me, cuz. Chill out, cuz. Don't swing on me.
like, bro, you be talking shit, bro. Logan's literally from Germany. My
I wasn't
parents are
talking to Logan. I
I'm
wasn't talking
literally
to Logan. I was
first
talking
gen
to you.
American.
I'm talking
First
to you,
gen.
Lama. I'm talking about y'all, you, the Mexicans, nigga. Y'all was here, but you're Peruvian, nigga. I'm just saying that though. I'm fucking with you, nigga. I'm fucking with you.
You see, and then when I start getting out of pocket, bro, I'm the
Nah, you
fucking
been
bad
going
guy.
on me. You've been going on me since I said that shit. You've been going hard on me. Stop playing, bro. Nigga said this nigga
That'd be that racist ass shit though.
Right.
Like let's talk about racism now.
No,
That's
I'm not being racist.
That's
I'm just
racist as
being
a bitch.
joking. Like y'all be joking. All of y'all joke.
Right, but you actually
360
get
days
pressed.
y'all joke about black people. Shut up. Y'all joke about black people 360 days out of the year. Come on.
You joke about everybody, bro. It's just the blacks get offended.
360 though
Blacks
is
just get
black
offended.
people. Hey, we don't take no offense. Most of us don't take no offense, and I was joking when I said what I said. You know what I mean? Nah, hey, well, them niggas be butthurt, not me. You know what I mean? They be butthurt.
All right, so keep going. So slavery, y'all built America. So what happened next?
The Asians and the Indians, the natives, built America. You know what I mean? But we got the worst treatment in human history. Period. Point blank. Period. Black people of America had the worst treatment of humans in history of the world.
Do you think so though? Or like, is that a fact or no?
Statistically,
I mean, in new, I would say new civilization, new world civilization. Yes.
No, statistically, Koreans have been the longest enslaved and most beat down people. I'm just saying that's actual fact.
That's what I'm saying though. It's like, bro, you know, slavery was everywhere, right?
Where's the stories of 200 years of enslavement and no kind of fuck reparations, no kind of repair?
200 Koreans were enslaved for like 4,000 years.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You know, like slavery was everywhere, right? You know, in Peru, Spain came to Peru and enslaved Peruvians.
Slavery, brother.
Did you know that?
This called chattel slavery, brother. This means that everything that we do, there's no kind of compensation. Period. There's nothing given. There's only more beatdown, more
Yo, boys
broken.
got the whole NBA and the NFL. What else you
Look,
need?
I don't know if we on YouTube. You know what they used to do, bro? They used to, you stupid nigga. You stupid nigga. Do you know what buck breaking is, brother? Do you know what buck breaking is? If you don't, I'm not gonna explain it on here. Go read up on what buck breaking is. Shit's crazy, bro.
You know
The
I
shit
can't read.
is wild, bro. Wild, bro.
All right, so based on the
You know I
stats.
can't read.
All right, hold on. Listen. So based on the stats, right here we go. Ancient Egypt had over 3,000 years of captive debt servant forced labor.
The
Greece
boys been
had
slaves way
I
before,
said
way
new
before America.
civilization, though. I
1,400
said
years.
new world civilization.
I know,
like
I know. But
America.
yeah, I'm getting there. So actually, even more relevant than United States, Brazil for 388 years enslaved more Africans than any other country
They're
in
the
the
same
Americas.
ones. It's the same ones that was brought over, bro. It's the same slave trade. It's called the
Russia did it.
transatlantic.
Russia did it from the
transatlantic slave
medieval
trade.
period until 1861. Japan did it from ancient times until 1910. China did it until fucking 1910. China was still practiced slavery and bonded servitude.
Yeah,
Ottoman
bonded
Empire
servitude is
until
not
the
called slavery,
1900s.
brother.
So there's
I mean,
a
you
lot.
gonna get some, you living in the you living well. You getting you see it in the movies where it's they master, they come up and they take care of the house, but you don't see them
No,
niggas
they
getting
say massa.
nah. This nigga's a menace. You see this why I go hard on Lama ass. This why I go hard on Lama ass. Lama don't get
He's
no
extra dumb. He's extra dumb. But
He don't get no
from
fuck.
1619 to 1865.
No, but I'm talking about chattel
200
slavery though, bro. This is like
246.
it's the
Chattel
same.
slavery became tied to agriculture, especially in the South. So that's how the United States did.
Yeah, it's greasy, man. It's greasy as fuck. That's why you see it in all books. That's why you see it in movies. It's greasy. That's why the entire world voted. Well, you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? The entire world voted that the transatlantic slave trade, the slave trade, was the worst thing in modern human history to happen. The only ones that voted against it: Israel, America, and Argentina.
Where they vote that at?
This was in the UN. This was done in the UN, bro. This is like
What you know about a YN? Stop playing.
Yeah. Hey, we know about that. We know about that, cuz.
I won't debate.
We tear right now.
I won't.
fuck with y'all.
Yo, people came here to trade. We out here talking about fucking history.
Hey, I fuck with y'all.
Curling back right now.
You said what?
Oh, market looks good right now, brother.
Shut your ass up. This nigga.
Appreciate the history lesson.
Shut your ass. I fuck with y'all though, man. I fuck with y'all.
Man, we fuck with you too, Teddy.
That was hilarious. That was absolutely good. I understand everything, saying everything.
I was joking when I said it too. Hey, y'all took offense to me saying the white man. I didn't even notice you called me up till I went on YouTube because I was like, let me get out of here before I say something crazy.
No, I don't take
and
offense
I
to
was on
words.
YouTube. I heard you said, Teddy, get your ass up here. I'm like, wait, let me get back in here.
No, I just knew it was going to be a big bit because you're retarded, but a good, funny
Shut
comedy. Yeah, you're hella retarded. No, I don't take offense to words or anything people say on the internet. You can't get Max mad, but that I just knew getting up here was going to be gold. So I knew that was great. So I love that. I love that you did that. And honestly, I think you owe Lama an apology.
Oh hell no! What? For what?
You said
for the racist things you said.
You said he was Mexican. You said what? And this fucking you called him the N-word and called him Mexican.
No, I said what type of Mexican is you?
No. You said I'm Mexican. You said
Can you
that.
I know you Peruvian, right? You're
Lama.
Peruvian.
Right, but he doesn't eat cilantro.
Me either. Hey, look, I don't like it either. It's not that good. The smell is funky.
I know that's right. And the taste is funky.
Right. Big Teddy Guap, we appreciate you, my boy. Listen, here's what I need you to do. I need you to go ahead and open that support ticket. Grab yourself a free 50K account.
Appreciate you, big dog.
Always. You choose which one you want. Fuck it. You choose.
What's you got?
Lucid. Fuck it, Lucid.
Lucid 50K coming your Lucid 50K coming your way, baby.
I fuck with y'all. MOT, I love y'all, man. Be easy.
We love you, Teddy. Thank you
for good weekend, my boy.
You too, fam. Like,
I take offense when I say I'm Latina and people assume I'm Mexican. That's got to be racist. I think people don't understand. There's like 50 Hispanic countries and they only say Mexican.
Yeah, I don't really care about none of that.
Right. As a white should.
I'm Jewish.
Damn.
Not as a
Field.
white shit, as a person who
Right.
care about any of that.
We're all people here.
We're all people.
There's Logan. We got him.
They got him. Nice job. So I did have ChatGPT rank the worst slavery to the best, but I probably should not read this, so I'm going to close that out. $20 dono from Zoboy. Haitians are the first black free slaves in the world. We didn't play that shit. We tried to help the slaves free in the South. N-word didn't even accept our help. I love these combos on a trading platform. Let's end racism. Zoboy.
My boy ZB right there. It's a real ZB.
Hey, ZB, open a support ticket. You get a free account.
There you go, ZB.
I told you, this is how we end racism. This is what it is. When we say crazy shit, like we talk, like how we just talked this whole conversation, if there's someone who actually got offended, we all bully that one person. Like if we all just bully that one liberal, then we can all come and heal together as a whole. I think that's the most important piece. It doesn't matter, and it literally doesn't matter. Short, tall, white, yellow, orange, black, brown, caramel, Latina, whatever, German. It does not matter. Male, female. The only thing that matters is this. If you get offended by any of that, you're the problem. And you're the one that deserves to be bullied. Soft
Especially
ass.
the Sicilians.
I wish Dave Chappelle was here. We call him bitch ass. Lucas, say it.
Bitch ass?
Bitch ass.
Nope.
Bitch ass.
Come on. We just read about Sicilians' history. There's a piece in.
Yeah, there's a piece, but not the old. Yeah, you know. you want to keep your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I guess I do like the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
All right, let's do another giveaway on the YouTube. Giveaway 150 on the clock.
Boy said first time here. Interesting. Interesting show. Oh man.
Code word is Logan has small legs. Logan has small legs. Code word Logan has small legs. Live on the YouTube. Logan has small legs. Oh, Logan, I'm at like 30 or 40,000 in payouts this week. That's crazy. That's crazy. That puts me at about 80 for the month. So where are you at?
I'm sitting at 50.
Oh, 50.
Job's not finished. Job's not finished. The month's not over.
You got 2 weeks left. You think you're gonna catch me?
I've got 25 accounts all past buffer. Yes, I am gonna pass you.
Interesting.
I'm gonna hit at least 100K again this month, back to back.
My fear is that I will be sent live with Lucid and Tradeify. And
yeah, that's a big cut of my pay was being moved live with a few of them, and they only give me a limited amount of accounts, so that cuts you short on a lot of profits you previously had. But once I get
Lucid,
that set up,
Lucid is actually good because you can get back.
I am still live with FFF. Yep.
I cashed out my account. They let me cash it out.
Nice. I just actually talked to David last night and asked him if I can get back on some evals, and he says he's got to. They'll consider it. I was like, come on.
You're just gonna take their money.
Yeah, and basically like I'm basically asking you, can I just get like another 40-50 bands? Like you know, I'm gonna rinse you. It's like, come on, we're cool. Like let me get more. We're cool. What's the problem?
I pulled out. I don't understand how the profits work, but I pulled out 15K on my live account. So they made some profit on me. So they let me go back to evals. But I'm pretty confident I get one payout. They're gonna be like, you're live again. So that's what they did last time.
81 bands from Alpha. That's huge. Good shit. Logan's in. You pull that card in a PSA 10. That's worth a couple. That's worth a couple of months. No, FFF's a great firm to trade with, guys. FFF is a great firm to trade with.
Yeah.
Their premier and prime accounts, their prime. That's what I rinsed fucking $80,000 in. It was 80 grand in 14 days. They paid me out the full amount with a scaling payout plan. I was getting 20,000 at the end, and they were like, "Yeah, you're going live." I was like, "Trade with Ariana. Congratulations, trade with Ariana. You won a Lucid loot box." And their velocity accounts, yeah, you could get a 25K velocity account, I think, for like $18, and it has no activation fee. It has no activation fee either. It's just an old school like Apex style with no activation fee. It's like $15.
I need to wrap it up.
And they have a BOGO on Velocity 25K. Right. If you buy a Velocity 25K because the Wealth Charts promo, if you buy an account, right? If you buy an account, it's a BOGO with them right now. I forgot about you could buy if you go on fucking there, type in code BDM, you can get two 25K Velocity accounts for $7. It's insane. I forgot about that. They do have a BOGO going on right now. That shit's gas. Funded Future Family, guys. That shit's gas. Don't slip up on the bacon. Not even allowed to purchase. So sad. Big shout out to the Well 365 Summit. Rob really went crazy on this one. He channeled some of his MOT, got the giveaways through the roof. Big Daddy Max, I'll be on set 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, Sam? 1 o'clock. I'll be on the Wealth Summit today, guys. Do not miss out on Monday. Monday, I'm going to make a very large announcement about probably the next live event. You guys might want to pay attention. So Monday, we're starting off the show with an absolute bang. Damn, J Love, I like that. I like that a lot.
Yeah, that's fire.
That is kind of gas. I like that a lot. Great show. Great Friday, guys. We did it again. Big Daddy smacked. I'm feeling really good. My fundeds are very, very much in the green. I'm actually up $44,000 right now. Daily payout accounts. 44,000. So I'm sitting really freaking good. Very, very happy with my trading this week. I hope you guys all had a great trading week. As we move past the mid of July, a massive giveaways this week too. I think we gave away over like 60 accounts this week. We need to slow the fuck down. But when we get 500 likes, who knows what could happen. So remember, guys, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only. Shout out to the $25 donation that just says end racism, which is really not a thing here at MOT, unless you're Lama and Mexican. Remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. Filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only. NFA brought to you by the Max Options Trading Network, the #1 shows in the world. Make sure you guys tap into Pay to Play University and Coaches Pre-Market. If you want to learn the Max way, the Maxtermind is the only way. If you guys didn't see that or bounce, tap into the Maxtermind. Every single thing, or tap into the P2P indicator. Absolutely went berserk today, which I'm sure Javi, Quantum, Luca last night, everybody's having a good fucking time. So FFF has the BOGO, Funded Future Family. Luca's off for the week until Sunday night, or it's Monday morning technically. Hola, mommy, what you doing there, baby? Oh, Logan loves you. Oh, mommy.
I had my finger on the mute button.
Culo grande. Whatever. Wait till she comes back out. Oh, he's sitting there. He's got me low. He's got me low. Make sure you guys tap into all the indicators. Happy Friday, guys. Downtime is just as important as the uptime. We love you. Remember to tip the staff. Support everybody on the socials. Give a like, a comment. All of that goes so good on the social media, guys. We appreciate all of your engagement. On X, I'm going to slam these again. Oh, mommy!
Well,
We
there's the one
appreciate
tap.
everything you guys do supporting us and the network. Remember, if you We fuck with you, baby, and we're gonna keep doing as much as we possibly can to support the #1 audience, fan base, and team in the entire world at the Max Options Trading Network. So thank you guys for everything. Tip the staff, tip the staff, and always use code BDM, baby. Use code BDM if you want to continue to support us, so we can give back more and more and more to you guys, faithful. Then all we need you to do is use code BDM. That is it. Wealth 365. We got Trading Wheels at noon. Right after Trading Wheels, tap on into Wealth 365. Big Daddy Max is on at 1 o'clock, and we close off the week strong with the boys at Power Hour, and then we're off until Sunday when Happy Hour and Luca, the London King, re-arrive to start the week off right next week. So great. And they got 4 accounts to give away on Trading Wheels today. 4 accounts to give away on Trading Wheels. The giveaways are going to be hot today, guys. The giveaways are going to be big today. So make sure you tap into all the great programming. We love you. Tip the staff. Luca.
Thank you for having me. Thank you, chat. Thank you also the audience from London. We clocked more than 1,000 points this week during London. So let's fucking go. We ended the green. Each and every day was green, even with not having the best price action during the week. Guys, tune in and check out all the other shows. You know it. Thank you again, and have a great weekend. Spend time with your families and enjoy.
Perfect. Logan.
See you guys for the Power Hour. Obviously, Max and I are going to be gone for most of the week, but students caught 60 points during the pre-market. So we've been absolutely crushing it. A bunch of new classes coming in for my students coming up probably in the next week or two, despite me being gone. So a bunch of cool new shit coming in. With that being said, see you guys for the Power Hour. If not, have a great weekend.
Big Daddy Lama.
Beautiful fucking day to wrap up the week, guys. Beautiful. I personally think the PA this week was kind of treacherous, but we still managed to escape with good profits every day, not being hesitant, doing what we do best. And it was amazing, guys. Make sure to go tap into Trading Wheels in 55 minutes. And then we have Maxi going live at the Wealth Summit at 1. Or what time, Max? 1?
1 o'clock.
2? 1 o'clock. Maxi will be going live. Is Javi going live today too? At 2?
Yeah,
Javi's
right.
Javi going live at 2.
Bang, bang.
Gonna have a back-to-back double whammy with the boys at the Wealth Summit, guys. Check them out. Go show them some love, guys. We would appreciate it.
Thank God I was green today on Wealth Charts. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, now you're able to show crazy profits.
Right. Yeah, now I can log in. No, I wasn't even thinking about that.
Make sure to go check out the boys, and excellent fucking week, guys. We're out of here. It was a pleasure. Deuces.
We love y'all. Great week. We'll see you guys next week. Big Daddy Morning Show continues. Trading Wheels starts in 55 minutes, and we'll see you guys right after that. Me, Javi, Power Hour. We love you guys. Anarchy, kick fire on them hoes, baby. Have a great weekend, team.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's short and on sight. Let's go. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow. Gospel in the game. Entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo. Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone, he's all in with the grin. If it cracks that floor, he's dancing out again.